This tutorial I'll be learning how to do a plumpy lip. Like, let them know there is a lip there. So I'm starting off with my gel liner. This is from Karai, so the brown one. You see why I decided to make use of this. I'm using a brush, sorry, for the application. So to start, plumping is like you are going to overline the lips, right? This is the actual line of the lip, but we overline it, right? You see how pigmented it is. So that's the essence. So this is the first part that we have done. Right? You go under. This is the actual line of your lips. But we have to close, like you go lower than the line, right? So we blend in, avoid harsh line. Right, then we'll go with our lip color. So I'm making use of this my lip palette, this shade, right? Just take and I'll place on my lips. When that is done, I will smack. When I'm done smacking, I'll use my brush to blend properly, remove excess, and then blend properly. Blend properly, right? This is the outcome of it. Can you see? Went below to line and above the lip line. So that is simply how to get it properly. I hope you love this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Bye.